Today I will show you how to install Oracle Database 21c Express Edition. We can download Oracle Database 21c Express Edition from the Oracle website. I am downloading Database 21c in zip file. Unzip the file and save it anywhere. Please and run the setup to install Oracle Database 21c Express Edition. Please accept the agreement and press Next to begin the installations. Enter the password. Please allow access. Please note down addresses and the name XPPDB1.
Hi everyone, my name is Usman Khalil. Today, my presentation is for Oracle 21c and Oracle SQL Developer. So, in modern application demands more than traditional relational data. They require native support for JSON, complex graph network, and immutable blockchain tables. Oracle 21c was built specifically for coverage world. I'm excited to talk you through the power of 21c and demonstrate how we can leverage SQL Developer to seamlessly manage and develop within this new data frontier. Okay, an introduction to Oracle 21c innovation release. It's like a bridge to the future and a preview of next generation tech, for example, 23 AI. While 90C remains stable production and core, and at a speed of market like over 200 plus new feature designed specifically for rapid development cycles, and the coverage database strategy, one one engine all data like native support for JSON graphs, spatial and relational in a single database, and also it's no more expensive ETL process between different specialty databases, and consistent asset guarantee across data types you use. It's like unified security, and the DDL, the blueprint of modern data. It's intelligence architecture, uh, like invisible columns update data structure without breaking legacy code, and automatic data optimization ADO. The data now automatically compress or move cold data to cheaper storage based on usage. Small life cycle management like advanced protocol in integration directly to the table definition. Okay, um, think about Oracle 21c, not a replacement of 19c, but as you R&D lab, while nine in your but as your R&D lab. While 90c is a long-term release, focus on stability. 21c is the innovative release. It's where Oracle introduces cutting-edge feature early, so we can start building next generation application today. Um, it's provide the modern it is providing the coverage strategy. The biggest because the biggest headache for modern developer is data fragmentation. Having one database for JSON and another relational, 21c solves this with a converge strategy. It handles JSON graph. Traditional SQL is one engine. This means you get flexible no SQL database with industrial grade reliable and security for Oracle. Also, modern DDL technically is highlighted, and uh, uh, we are like we if we are moving beyond simple tables with 21c DDL, data definition language is smarter. For example, invisible column allow us to add fields that only new apps can see. uh, we can see also for meaning we don't break our older application during an update. Furthermore, automated storage optimization means the database actually watches how often data exists. If an index or table goes cold, 21c can automatically compress it, move to it to cheaper storage, or save us money without us writing in a single code. Okay, moving on to the next slide. It's focuses on speed and security, like DML, agile data interaction. It explains target attribute updates. Use an analogy: instead of rebuilding an entire car just to change the tire. So 21c allow us to update just one specific piece of data within a field. Security is DCL or and TCL. Like transaction guard in financial apps. If a network cuts out during a bank transfer, transaction guard ensure that the transaction does not happen twice or get lost. It's about absolute certainty. And native JSON having 10x faster. It can scan speed, and Oracle now treat JSON like native language, not just a text file. Now moving on to the next slide. Okay, in this slide, we are focusing on we are focusing on cutting edge technology. Okay, like blockchain tables explain that these are insert only. Once a row is written, it cannot be deleted or changed even by an admin. This is perfect for auditing and preventing fraud. SQL macros use this explanation. Normally, the database has to switch back and forth between two brains, SQL and PLSQL. Macros combine them into one, making complex calculations significantly faster. In database JavaScript, this is great for developers who don't have to learn new language to work with database. We can use the JavaScript skills. Now moving on to the next slide. Conclusion, like comprehensive platform. Oracle 21c functions as both developers playground and a robust security environment. Reduce complexity, simplifies the IT stack by integrating JSON performance, temper proof tables, and AutoML into single engine. Also future ready, prepare organization for the next generation for autonomous and converged data management. Innovation driven, moves beyond traditional storage to provide an agile, secure foundation for modern enterprise need. Okay, in SQL language categories, Oracle SQL is divided into four main categories. Here is number one: DDL, data definition language, define the structure, create, alter, drop. DML, data manipulation language, for managing the data, select, insert, update, delete. DCL, data control language, managing the security like grant, the exit and revoke. And TCL, transaction control language, managing the changes like for comment rollback. Another is DDL, it's for building the structure. Uh, DDL commands are used to create and modify database objects. Used for create, define a new table or index. For alter, this command modify an existing structure, for example adding a column. Drop command used for permanently delete a table. Truncate, remove all rows but keep the structure. Okay, in the next slide, Oracle developer, Oracle SQL developer, and we can download from oracle.com database SQL developer technology download. So from here we can download in a zip format, and after unzip we can see the folder, and here's the exe file. Okay, after if we have to run SQL developer exe file, then this image will appear and the window will appear after some time. want to show you advanced blockchain tables. This is perfect for audit logs and financial records. These tables are immutable. Rows cannot be updated or deleted. Mandatory clauses: no drop or no delete hashing using. This is example. Let me create. No drop until I'm giving the days. Until no delete until 16 days after insert. We have to give 16 days at least. Okay, let me correct this one. Yeah, blockchain table created. Okay, ledger audit. This one. For example, I'm inserting data amount, right? This one. One row has been inserted. Select. Yeah, one row is there. Okay, let me drop table. Okay, this one I have to use. Question not allowed. Blockchain immutable table. An attempt was made. Update, delete, truncate, insert, select, rename, operation browser are immutable table. No action required. Okay, in JSON transform, it's a new in 21c. JSON is JavaScript object notation. Is a data format used to store and exchange information. So here the create table uh, for the JSON with the JSON word, and it contains, we can put name, product, and many other things. And after creation the table, we can use this description of product catalog. Also in the DML is the DML is actually is a bread and butter of SQL. We can use insert, update, delete, and merge. And here the example of DML. We are inserting the uh, data in the table, and we can update. Okay, here DSL and TSL control and transactions. In DSL security, uh, like provide security like grant, give a user permission, grants like on order to HR user, revoke the permissions. TSL provide integrity like comment, rollback, save point, and it's here is the example of update, and we can use the save point up to where we can use the save point. And once we are done or anything we have to delete, then we can comment. After comment, data will be saved. Um and also here, joins and subqueries, we can use inner join, left, right join, subqueries. Here is the select statement for the join. Now I have to create product catalog table, and in this detail will be stored as a JSON type. So let me open the SQL developer. Okay, let me. I will use hospital. Oh, okay. Yeah, my database is shut down. Was shut down. I have given here startup command. I want to uh, make database up. Yeah, it's database mounted right now. Oracle tense started. Okay. Let okay. Let me connect again. Yeah, let's connect it. Okay. Now I'm creating a table product catalog, and here the detail is will be stored as JSON type. Okay. Again, I have to enter the insert in product catalog. Yeah, all done. Committed. Now I am inserting data in top products. Committed. And now here in a sales record. Yeah, all the records have been up. Okay, now I'm running the join statement. Uh, I'm running the join in the select statement, and here I will use product catalog, sales record, and top products tables. Yeah, you can see that the records after joining, after the join statement. show you product catalog data. Yes, 20 lines of row. Now the second is sales records. Here's the data. Okay, number 3, top products. These are our ID rank. Here we have product ID details, and here product ID column is also here. So here's the ID. This is sales ID, and here we find ID column in top products. So this is our main table, and this is sales record main table. Okay. Okay. In this session, I will install Scott schema. First, I have to check Scott user exists. If not, then this means the Scott schema was never installed. In the new version of Oracle, the schema is not included by default. We have to create the user manually with these below commands while still in XCPDB1. In Oracle 21c XCPD1 is the name of your default pluggable database, and XCPD1 is a self-contained database. So let me install the Scott schema, and I will check first in the database. Now I have to connect SQL and with the Oracle database, and I have to create the user Scott, and I will run the schema of Scott. For this thing, I have to connect plus okay. Now I have to alter the session. Okay, session is altered. Now I have to create the user. Default table space users temporary table space temp quota unlimited on users, right? Okay, user created. Now I have to give grant privileges to Scott. Connect resource to grant success, then grant stays to Scott, right? Now I have to connect with the Scott user. Okay, it's connected. Now I have to create that table. Yeah, this one done. This one I created department table. Now I have to create the table of EMP, then bonus table and sal grade table. No, sorry. No, sorry, again wrong. This is wrong. Create table, sal grade, grade number, local number, ISO number. Yeah, table created. Now I have to insert the values in the department table. This one done. This is done, and this is 20 and 30. This is 40. Okay, now in the end commit for permanently saving in the database. I have to now insert the data in EMP table. Oh, sorry. One row created, and another row, another row. This one, this one. Okay, this one, and in the end, I commit. Now, as sal grade table, I have to insert the data. This one done. This one, and this is the last, and then commit. Okay, this is done. I have to check the users tables. Yeah, department EMP bonus sal grade appearing. Now I will run select static from EMP, for example. Yeah, data is appearing. From department, and yes, this is done, and you can see that I have installed the schema of Scott, and I created the user, inserted the data in the tables. Okay, thank you.